In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background music or voice on your CapCut videos. So I have your video. If I go ahead and play it, you can hear there is a soundtrack or there is a voice on it. However, you can't see it. The first thing we need to do for us to delete the voice or the sound is to separate or to delink the voice from the video. To do so, go ahead and tap on the video, and from this, scroll until you see this option called extract audio. Now I'll go ahead and tap on it, and now you can see our audio is here. It has been detached from our video. To remove this audio now, go ahead and tap on it to select, and then use the delete function here to delete it, and that's it. Now the audio has been deleted from the video. If we go ahead and now play the video, you can see it is now silent. So that's how you remove background music or audio on your videos in CapCut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.